We have a huge quest this week. Any guesses? I can guess for you guys. I can guess for you. I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you what we're gonna do this week. And yeah, catch flights, not feelings. Yeah. What is it? It's like a jet to holiday.
£50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
Isn't that on you? It's like, and you get 2 bags per person. It's like it kind of sounds like very like my symphony, like the beginning. Yeah, that's like.
하늘이가 어깨가 너무 예쁘네. 사수가 문제지. 예진아 이거 샐러드 먹어봐. 샐러드가
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Are we getting it? Oh, she modeled these for that before.
Yeah, I saw that. Guys, it is no longer my birthday, but look at what was sent to me.
Wow.
This was from Coco Kind. It was very kind of them to send it to me. Get it? Coco Kind. And yesterday we went to, oh yeah, this is the note Coco Kind gave me. And this is what Glow Recipe sent me home with. Shout out to the Glow Recipe team for letting me take this home because it was so gorgeous. This orchid right here, stunning. These roses, the hydrangeas, gorgeous. Thank you so much for giving me such a nice, beautiful birthday. 2025 has been awesome. 많이 컸구나.
오늘 며칠이지?
16.
17.
17.
Oh, she's 17. My birthday was 2 days ago. It's so cute.
짜잔.
That's so cute.
1cm? 컸어.
This is my favorite. We're at HMart, looking around for some snacks. Lauren's favorites. My favorite is this too. It's probably this one. I love 보레밥, 오감자, 새우깡. I just be eating 오징어 땅콩. And oh, this one too, 땅콩 강정. And I love gummies. Oh, this one's also really good. If you like cereal, this is delicious. This is called jolipong, and it's literally like cereal, but you eat it without the milk. Delicious. So fire. I honestly hate these. I don't like them either. I do not like these. I know these are really popular, but like I don't like them. Oh, I really like these. No, that's like grandma snacks. Okay. Let me show you guys. I really like Really good. Oh, those are good. Oreos are always good. Choco Boys always really good. A classic. I used to bring these as a snack. I don't like those. Oh, I love these. I would eat the jam only and then like toss the crust out. Sorry. I'm actually not a fan of choco pies as much as when I was younger. I'm not a big choco boy person. Choco pie. You are. Oh, sorry. I'm not a big choco boy person. Yeah, these are okay. Wait, choco pie. Yeah, choco pie. These are okay. We're gonna go grub up. We're getting ready for the Jin concert. I can't believe we're going. My mom somehow scored us 2 tickets. I feel really bad because she was not able to go because she sacrificed her tickets for us. I'm definitely gonna make it up to her because it just really sucks. It just didn't work out this time. We bring our mom everywhere with us, so it's like really sad, but this is really sad. Yeah, but we're getting ready. Jin is Lauren's bias, so she's really ready. She's been getting ready since 4 and the concert starts at 8, you know? So she's ready. I really hope the other members will be there to support their hyung, you know what I am saying?
I know what you were saying.
So we'll see. I'm really excited. See you guys there. Bye. We're almost here. Wow, look at all those people.
I'm so excited.
We're so excited. There's actually so many people.
I know, I'm actually scared. Oh, it can hold up to 17K, so...
Yeah. Here we are! Oh my gosh, someone gave us free.
I can have yours, right?
This is so cute!
I can have yours,
Thank you so much! This is awesome!
Oh my god.
I am so excited. You don't even understand.
I feel so bad mom's not here.
I'm shaking. I know.
That's all I could think about.
I'm so sad.
Yeah, I feel so bad. These are really good seats.
They're fantastic. Thank you, Mom.
Thanks, Mom.
Yeah, I'm WWH Worldwide Handsome, you know? Okay, try it. Next, we're gonna play a game. It's a very special game with a very special guest. Guest is through body movements only. No sound, no talking, okay? I have 30 seconds to guess the word. Okay, now I love this section. Hi, I will see you again.
Lauren's dead. The post-concert depression's already hitting. Let me tell you guys something.
SoCal has been growing on me. I would love to move here in the sense that's kind of just like for my career, not just because like of content creation and everything. I just feel like there's just so much happening here in SoCal that I actually have been missing opportunities. I'm just trying to be a little bit more open-minded with my career and career path. There's just so many things that I want to do that's beyond content creation, and I want to just really expand on my creative outlets. So it's something that's been really on my mind, and it's a bit of a difficult choice for me because I have my family in the Bay. So it's been really hard because like I love my family, it means so much to me, and I obviously don't want to leave the nest, especially at such a vulnerable state of my life. Yeah, it kind of sucks though, like just thinking about it, but c'est la vie, I think. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think about this choice. Tanya, come here. And look who's here to say hi. Say hi, Tan. Hi, Tani. Say 안녕. 안녕, Tani. 안녕. He loves to play fetch. Hiya.